Hello friends, thanks for coming back. Today I am going to teach you how to do tessellation seamless pattern design. These patterns are broadly used in textile design. So without wasting any time, let's start. I'm going to create this particular design for your understanding. If you will notice, there is only one motif which is getting repeated in half drop. So let's trace this one using pen tool. I have increased the stroke weight to look visible in the video. Next is this inner triangle. And then remaining lines of this shape. My one motif is ready. Let's align all the nodes. For that, go to Window and open Align tool. Using Direct Selection tool, select the nodes as I am showing in this video and then align accordingly. These align is very important to get the perfection while intersecting the motifs for repeat. Now let's pick the same color from the image using eyedropper tool. Drag the fill color box to swatch. So now let's fill the color. Press K in the keyboard to open Live Paint tool. Now click on the color and then click on the motif to fill color. Do not forget to fill white if there is white required anywhere. Once all color is done, select the motif and then click Expand from the menu bar. Remove the strokes as there is no stroke in original design. My one repeat is ready. Let's create a seamless pattern. For that, select everything, then go to Object, Pattern, then click on Make. It will give you the preview of seamless pattern. I am going to change the grid to half drop, break by column. To reduce the space, reduce the value of width and height by selecting the value and then click up and down arrow key in keyboard. This looks perfect. Let's exit from the pattern mode by clicking here. and you will see a new pattern swatch is added in the swatch window. Let's test it. Draw a rectangle and fill the generated pattern swatch. Looks perfect. Let's scale down and check. Right click on the pattern, then transform, then scale. Make sure that only transform pattern box is checked. Change the value of uniform scale up or down to do the scale. Press OK to see it in page. I hope I was able to make your life simpler with this new technique. If you have to learn something new, feel free to comment in the comment box so I can create video on that topic. So if you like this tutorial, kindly like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.